Assalamu alaikum. Myself Ahkam Ansari. Student, I am back again with yet another video lecture of information technology. In this particular video lecture, we will learn how we can insert or how we can add a video file or a video in our web page. In our previous lecture, we have seen how we can insert an audio file, that is sound file, in our web page. So insertion of audio as well as insertion of video, the procedure and the steps are same. Even the only thing which we can change or only difference between audio, insertion of audio and insertion of video is the only the name of element or the name of tag which is required. So if you want to insert audio, that is sound file, you require audio tag. In the same way, if you want to insert video file, in that case you have to use video tag. Okay, then we have special attribute, like we have seen attributes of audio tag, like we have seen src, then we have seen autoplay, then we have seen loop. These are some attribute which will be repeated in video tag too. Means video tag also support these attribute which we have already learned in audio tag. So the thing is that the procedure is same. If you want to insert any audio tag, you have to use audio tag. In the same way, if you want to insert any video file or video, in that case you have to use video tag. Again, there is a two way. If you want to insert a single file, okay, in that case you can use a video src, and then in that src you can pass the url or address of that particular video file which you want to insert. But in some cases where when you run your program, in some browser will not support your audio video file, in that case you will not get what is the expected result. Means there could be an error message, there could be an error, means your video will not play, because as we know currently we are having a number of the browser, and every browser support different types of file. So if you use only video tag and if you use a single type of video, there is a chances, there is a possibility that your video file will not support by all browser. Okay, that's why like we have done in audio section, we have used source tag. Inside source tag we have to insert multiple type of audio file. So even if you have multiple type of audio file, so there is a chances that if this type of file will not support, the other file will support it. Okay, in the same way, if you want to add video file, again use source tag along with video tag and add multiple sources, means multiple type of the video file. Okay, so if you learn how to insert the audio file, there is a similarity, there is 99% similarity between insertion of audio and insertion of video. The only difference is that for audio you have to use audio tag, and for video we have to use video tag, and we have some additional attribute for video tag we will see. Okay, just let's have a look on what are the attributes of video tag. These attributes are repeated. The first four attributes are repeated. That is src we have seen in audio tag. Also src means in that src we have to write the location or path of that particular file, which video file which you want to insert. In the same way, then we have seen controls. Controls is an attribute of video tag, as well as it also supported in audio tag, where if you use control, these are some boolean, these will accept as a boolean value, means no need to pass any value. These are the attributes, but you need not to pass any value. Means if you use control attribute, okay, so you will get control on your player. Okay, your music player will provide some controls. Controls means you can play, you can pause, you can forward, you can increase the volume, you can decrease the volume. These are the some controls, but you have to use this attribute. In the same way, autoplay, we have seen autoplay attribute of audio tag. If you use autoplay, your audio file, your sound file, in the same way we are working in video file, so your video file will start playing, okay, without any play button. Means you do no need to click on play button, your video file will start automatically. Okay, so you have to use autoplay attribute. In the same way, we have seen loop attribute, means once your audio file will complete, we have seen in audio tag, if your audio file will complete, it will resume without clicking on button, means it will continuously playing until you press on stop button or you close your browser. In the same way, your video file will continuously play until you click on pause button or close the browser. So these are the some common attributes which are the supported by the audio tag as well as video tag. Okay, then we have some more attribute. Okay, like we have width, we have height, we have posture. Okay, so width and height means here in audio tag we will just get the sound, we will just get the voice. Okay, but in video tag or in video is nothing but the combination of audio as well as the picture and collection of the picture. But in case of audio, you will get only sound or voice. Okay, so you will get a frame, or by using that frame your video will play, your picture will move. Okay, so in that case, what could be the size of your player? It will decided by using width and height attribute of video tag. Okay, so these are some very self-explanatory attribute. Okay, so when you just see the name, you will get the idea why we use width, what is mean by width, what is mean by height. And again, before starting my practical section, I just want to tell you that this section or this topic is again having same importance like we have done in audio tag, because both the practical are compulsory. It will be in your examination, and also it will be in your practical examination, where the examiner can ask or on your paper there could be a question like insertion of audio or insertion of video. So student, it is very easy practical as we have done in our last lecture, insertion of audio. In the same way we can insert insertion of video too. So if you learn properly, or if you have understood what we have done in audio tag, so it could be very easy. Even if you don't understand how we can insert audio, so that could be a good chance to repeat the thing which we have done in our previous lecture. Now I am going to do the same thing which we have done in insertion of audio section. So the first thing is that we have to insert audio video file inside our web page. So first thing is that we have to create a simple web page, and inside that we have to use, or we have to insert a video file. Okay, so let's move to our notepad application in which we will create our HTML page. So I am going to write notepad application. This is my notepad application. Let me open the, okay, now I have to write code inside the HTML file. The first thing is that I will write doc type. And what is a doc type? You have to write HTML. Then I will start HTML tag and closing HTML tag. Okay, between these two tag I have to insert other tag, that's on top. I will take head tag and then closing head tag. Okay student, these things you have to do every time when you are going to create any HTML page. These are the compulsory, or these are the basic thing which you have to do. Okay, I need to change the background color. BG color equal to, I am going to assign blue. So you can assign as per your choice. Now I am going to write one H1 tag and closing H1 tag. Inside that I will write insertion of video in web page. Okay, let me save the file. So we have done, just we have created a simple HTML page. So I will write in video.html. I have given file, you can assign any name, but the important thing is that you have to write .html extension. Okay, so click on save, flip back to your desktop where we have saved our file. Just find where is it. Okay, this one. Okay, in video, let me open the file. Okay, so this is our insertion of video in web page. We have created a simple HTML page. Now I am going to use this attribute and this tag. Which tag I will use? Video tag I will use, and I will use this attribute. Okay, so Here I am going to use video tag. Okay, so I will take video and closing video. Okay, now inside that video I will write src equals to, inside that I have to write the address, the path, the location of video file. Student, I have already downloaded, even not downloaded, I have created a video like I am creating or shooting lecture. In the same way I have created a 1-minute video. That video I will add. So I have given a channel name. I will just copy it. Sorry, I have to add this video. So how to add a video or audio or image? The format and procedure is same. Just go on that file, because you have to insert the address of that particular file which you want to insert. Where you want to insert the address? Inside the src. So this is the video tag. Inside that we have an attribute called src. In src we have to pass the address of the video file. Okay, if you are inserting video, if you are inserting audio, you have to write the address of audio. Even if you are inserting image, so you have to write. So src attribute is common for audio, video and image. So inside that you have to write the address or location or path of that particular file. So again I am going back to my folder where I have downloaded or created video file. So we have 3 files, but the file name is same, because as I told you that first we will insert a single file, then I will add same file with multiple extension. So currently I am using .mp4, then I will use .ogg, then I will use WebM. Okay, so these are 3 different files which are the most popular files supported by the most of the browser actually, and not I am saying all of the, but most of the browser, or these are some famous file extension which are used in web browser or website. So first I will insert this one, that is a, so how to insert? Just go on that particular file which you want to insert, just select it, right click on that file and click on property. Okay, student, again I am saying, if you don't know how to insert image, the procedure is same. Just go to that particular file and click on that and go in property. In the same way, if you want to insert audio file, again go to that particular file, click on, right click and then click on property. Even in there I want to add video file, so this is my video file. Okay, this is my video file. Okay, and right click on that, click on property. So when you click on property, you will get this property window. Okay, channel mp4 properties. Okay, so inside that we are very interested in location of that particular file. So this is my location heading. You will get it left hand side, and right hand side you will get the location. So just select all full location, full path, and just click Ctrl C. That is why we are going to copy this. Okay, so I have copied, and now I am going to paste inside the src. Okay, so I have clicked Ctrl V. After that, just put one backward slash like this. Okay, so you will notice that C colon, then backward slash, then user backward slash, then the name of computer, then backward slash, then desktop backward slash, then video is the name of the folder. Okay, after that you have to put a simple backward slash, and then you have to add the name of the file. Why? Because we have taken the address only. Now on that particular address we may have a number of the file, so we have to know the name of that particular file with extension. Again go back to your property. Now on top you will get the file name. This is your file name, and .mp4 is your type or extension. So type of file, what is .mp4. Okay, so on top you will get name as well as your type. So just click on Ctrl C, flip back to your notepad application, then just paste over here. Okay, so now src, inside src, first you have taken the full path. Full path is up to your video. This is your full path. After that you have on that particular path means address, you can say. On that particular address we have 3 different files. Okay, if you notice that at that particular path we have 3 files. Okay, the path is same because all is in video folder. This is the name of the folder, but in that folder we have 3 different files. Okay, so which file we want? So address is same but file name is different. So till video is the name of folder, and on desktop we have that folder, and this is the desktop which is belongs to this name of the computer. Okay, so channel.mp4 is a name of file. Okay, let me save the file. Okay, I have clicked save. Now add attribute like controls. Okay, so you have added controls. Okay, click on save. Now flip back to your desktop where we have saved our file. Okay, so just click on that file. So this is our video which is playing. Okay, let me, I think it's okay. This is our video file which we have created. Okay, student, this video I think you are able to just hear the music. The video is playing because okay, all the lectures are uploaded on YouTube. I have removed my cursor from here. Some video is going on. Now search. Okay, I have created a video. Okay. So I have typed in number of the time. That's why the first video for just watch the video. I have forget our channel. What was the content inside the video? I think it's our channel, KMS College channel, which is in YouTube. So I have just created a simple video and I have added inside our web page. Okay. Okay. So this is our video. We have inserted video file. Let me open in some other browser. Okay. Let me close it. And instead of Google Chrome, I am going to open inside the Edge. Okay, this is our, now you notice that the full size screen is coming, so you can resize this screen, means you can resize the video screen. So let me stop it. Assalamu alaikum. This video I am okay, let me close it. I want to resize. For resize we have width and height. So I am going back inside the notepad application where I have created file. So now I am going to apply some more attributes. Means first I have used controls. Now I am going to use width. Width equal to, so you can assign for example 300 and height equals to, you can assign for example 250. Now you can see your video player will display a video in some good manner actually. Okay, let me open the file. Initially it was coming in full screen, but now the size can be removed, resize. Let me go for 100%. Okay, now this is the video which you can watch or which you can see. Let me click on play button. Okay, so finally student, we have inserted a video file by using video take. Okay, so KMS College video is working. This you can see, you can notice that Azim sir is teaching. Azim sir. So Azim sir conducting lecture of chemistry. So you can, if you have audio, I don't have audio cable, so I can just recording my lecture, so I cannot hear what sir is saying. But inside video, I can clearly say that video is working. And you got how we can insert a video file inside the web page. So what we have done, we have taken a simple video tag. Okay, click on that icon. We have taken a simple video tag, and by using video tag we have used SRC attribute. Inside that we have inserted the full path of that particular file, and we have taken MP4 file extension. Okay, then we have used control attribute, and we have also used a new attribute inside the video tag, that is a width and height. Okay, all the lectures are uploaded now. Student, so you can go and you can in next lecture, okay, in next lecture we will see how we can add to play lectures of Azim sir, multiple, you can see, you can watch file or multiple video file inside a web page, or how we can use source tag to insert video file. Like we have seen inside audio, we have seen different multiple file format for audio. In the same way, we will add multiple video format by using source tag. And we will use some another attribute, like we will see autoplay. What is autoplay? We will see inside the video tag also. Okay, students, so that's for today, and I think we have learned how we can insert. It is very easy, as those students who have seen our lecture of insertion of audio. For those, I think it is a just revision for them, but student, this practical or this topic is very important. It will come inside your practical examination of carrying 15 marks. Okay, and the thing is that you have to insert an audio file or video file. The procedure is same. That's for today. The next part of this video section we will see in next lecture. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.